What is WAF? Web Application Firewall Defined. More and more threat actors are exploiting web applications to get into networks. Let's discuss how you can block these malicious attacks using web application firewalls or WAFs. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is a web application firewall? A WAF is a security tool that monitors and controls HTTP traffic between a web application and the internet using predetermined security rules. It protects your system from sophisticated cyber threats like SQL injection and cross-site scripting. Think of it as a barrier between your web applications and the internet. Every time you connect to the internet, a WAF analyzes incoming and outgoing traffic and filters out any suspicious request it finds. WAFs come in three different forms. Hardware-based WAFs, physical hardware typically installed at a data center's perimeter. Software-based WAFs, applications deployed within an infrastructure. Cloud-based WAFs, security services provided and maintained by third-party vendors. The right WAF for your organization will depend on its security needs, size, and infrastructure. How to integrate WAFs into your network. Let's walk you through integrating WAFs into your network. Choose the right WAF for your organization. Determine which of the three WAF solutions we've discussed is best for your infrastructure, budget, and security needs. Configure your WAF. Draft the security rules you want to enforce and specify the traffic you want to block. Then start configuring your WAF's settings, including SSL/TLS termination and logging. Test and fine-tune your security rules. After configuration, test your WAF to ensure it works properly. Fine-tune your security rules based on previous traffic logs and new threats. To ensure your WAF integration goes smoothly, follow these best practices. Balance security and usability. Ensure your security rules protect your web applications without disrupting the data flow. Continuously monitor your WAF. Monitor your WAF solution closely and look for alerts about suspicious activities. This way, you can respond to threats in real time. Apply updates and security patches regularly. Deploy software updates and security patches on time to stay ahead of emerging threats. WAFs are your network's first line of defense against malicious actors. By understanding how they work and learning how to implement them effectively, you can reduce your organization's risk exposure to data breaches. For more information, check out our official blog post on web application firewalls, linked in the description below.